So good evening everyone. So let us start the session. Meanwhile, yeah, we'll start at right time. Meanwhile, let me prepare running notes for you guys. I trust my voice is clear, right? Online team. Harish, good evening. Can you hear me? Harish or Harsha, you texted me, right? This weekend I can help you, sir, to create your resume. It's okay. All right. Let me change the date. So let me give a small assignment in Pandas actually. Kindly please walk through. Somebody try to work on, there is a method name is a query actually. What is the method name? Query method in data frame. Seriously, very interesting. What is a query method? Why it is? The recently the method is getting booming up actually. My material also still it is in under preparation. I will help you. We are crossed Thursday. Let me share. Today I will share one project actually. We are almost going to close this one in another 10 to 15 minutes. We are going to continue with this one. All right, let's move on. I'm sorry. Have you done examples feature engineering in your laptop directly? Is it executing? Okay. If it is not executing, I can help you with the alternative solution. Meanwhile, kindly please do the practice over Google Colab actually. Okay. Yeah, good. How many of you not executing? Raise your hand. First of all, are you done? If anyone is not yet done, please do that one actually. Good. I'm sure. In a straight away, I'm jumping. Imputing missing value. Yeah, this is the one. There are mainly four yeah, back to the session. There are mainly four strategies we have. First one is a mean, next one median, next one most underscore frequent, next one is a constant. Good. We just created a data frame. In the created data frame we would have a, sir, let me tell you one thing. When I say the data, yeah, by using the data we are creating what exactly? Data frame. So this data frame we supposed to give, we need to give input to what exactly? Input to ML algorithm. But before giving, we need to apply, what we need to apply? FE, feature engineering. What we need to apply? When I say feature engineering, ensure that, keep in mind that, we are having categorical data. We are having what data? Categorical data. Large integers we may have large numeric value. What numeric value? Yeah, this categorical data convert into what exactly? Yeah, numeric data. What data? Numeric data. Large values. What values actually? Large values. So scale in tech large values. 1 minute. Apply large values. Apply scaling technique. What technique actually? Scaling technique over large values. Or what exactly? Large values. 99% your data science project belongs to these two categories only. Repeating again, when I say feature engineering, in the given data, we do have a categorical data. What data, boss? Next one is a large numeric values, right? Over the categorical data, we just need to convert into numeric. How we already converted, like a Google company, role, these are all we converted actually. Then next one is apply scaling technique. What technique? over the values, I just wanted to apply scaling technique in between. Scaling means we do have a large values, I just wanted to compress the value so that comparison is very easy. So that what exactly, sir? Comparison is very easy. Now once you done this one, then talk about ML algorithm. Talk about what exactly? ML algorithm. Are you with me? Good, I hope you understand. ML algorithm. So this is the flow, we have to remember this one. Yeah, currently we are discussing about this topic is also called as a handling missing values. Handling what exactly? Also called as a imputing missing value. Imputing what exactly? Missing value. There are multiple names it is having. There are mainly four strategies. Let me explain. Now we are planning to focus only on one column. What is that column? Marks. What is this one? Numeric value. What value? Numeric value. In the given numeric value, we do have a missing value. We do have what exactly? Uh, in the given data, if you are having missing value, minimum 1 or 2 days discussion in a company. Minimum on an average. Even in my company, on an average, there was a project actually. We spent almost 8 days actually. How many days? 8 days. Each day, 8 hours carries. I mean, the working day, your working login hours should be 8 hours actually. On an average, Monday to Friday, again Monday to Tuesday, we worked actually. On an average, minimum 8 to 9 days, only with why missing value, what techniques we need to apply, like a client discussion, like a mail chain. First today, one guy will start the mail and he will keep CC to manager. These are all other guys actually. Good. Please understand. Now here we do have a missing value. If you want, you can drop. Instead of dropping, do we have any other alternative? That alternative you need to think actually. Dropping anyone can do, man. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Other alternative means, the see, think logically. Okay, it is the marks actually. Other alternative means, can I replace here the value will be 10 actually? No. Maybe the student is really good with the genuine reason he didn't attend the exam actually. Because of that one, we should not punishment. We should not what exactly? Best example, the paper valuation. Yeah, assuming that 9 questions excellent he had written, one question he didn't written properly actually, but still that faculty have a mercy over the student. Am I right or not, sir? Even though 10th question is wrong, faculty will show some mercy actually. So I cannot give 200 value. I cannot give 10 value. Then what value? Go to the math. Go to what exactly? Math. These technique you can apply. These techniques you can apply. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Now let me show you in such a way that how to create a data frame. Let me create the data frame first. Tomorrow don't miss the practice. Total Python revision you guys need to do. I'm importing required libraries. I have created a nested list. I created a normal list, and with that every data I have created a data frame. All right, let me just try to run this example. Yeah. We got a data frame like this. Now let us just try to focus on, there is a value here, the third row, and the next one is what exactly? Fifth row. Now let us just try to move on. What exactly we are doing, boss? It's a right time. I'm planning to handle, this none value and this none value. I'm planning to handle. If you are planning to handle, then you can handle by using simple imputer class. What is that one? Simple imputer class. We are importing the class. I hope you know the strategy actually. What is the most well-known framework? The well-known framework will be importing the class. Importing the class. Next one is create an object to a class. Next one, access the method. That's it. By using object. By using what exactly, sir? Object actually. Please, it's a kind of some general framework actually. You need to understand what is that one. Yeah, exactly. We are creating an object. Now my object name is a imputer. Instead of imputer, Daniel, can I take your name? I like your name, sir. You can take it. What's wrong in that? Okay. I mean to say that the object name can be anything actually. Good. Now please observe here. We have successfully imported the name of the class is a simple imputer. What is the name of the class? Simple imputer. We are creating an object. What is object name? Daniel. And this class is taking two keyword arguments topic. What arguments topic? Two keyword argument. The first keyword argument is missing underscore value. What is the first one? Underscore value np.nan. And second one will be status. Second one will be what exactly? Previously there was one student, he asked a question, though you already working, you know this one, how I come to know being a learner, how? Sir, there is no shortcut. We have to practice until you work with the scenario. Even you cannot understand actually. First time when I was learning, when I was working, even I was wondering what is this missing value, what is this strategy. When you're working with 5 to 6 times, it will be registered in your brain actually. First time you don't know upper method, am I right? But when you're working, now if somebody talking, I need to convert lowercase to uppercase, what we need to apply? That's it, right? It will be registered slowly by slowly. Good. Now let me tell you, this object we need to apply over the which column? What is a column? Yeah, good. Now let me tell you, this object having a kind of strategy. What is a strategy? You know, this object will try to work with only single column array. Tell me, single column array. Let us just have to make a note. According to the syntax, according to the syntax, you know, a simple imputer object will work with only, tell me sir, single column array, but not with other data. But not with what exactly? Other data. If you are working with other data, in a straight away you will get an error. No doubt in that actually. Okay. Now ensure that what we need to do. But I don't have an array in our hand actually. Then in a data frame, what would we have? Column. This column we need to convert into single column array. This column we need to convert into what exactly? Single column array. Good. Now hold on. Can I say, talk with me sir please? Can I say this is the data frame? Yeah. Can I say this is the series? Tell me. Then select the series. Then what we need to do? Convert this one into single column array representation. What representation? The whole process we guys need to do. Ensure that. That's what. Keep in mind that to convert into that one, these are all syntax we are following. Now let us just try to, first of all, let me just try to access into that single column. Let me just try to access that single column, sir. Yeah, just try to see. We are accessing single column. Let us provide some small space for your better understanding. Yeah, just try to see. What is this one, sir? Talk with me. Series. Now this series, let us just try to convert into array. If you wanted to convert into array, then dot values we need to call. What we need to call? What happened, you know, this dot values will convert into array, but that is a row format. What format? One more time. What format? Row format. Just try to see. Like this, step by step you need to do. Then only you will understand. Understand the strategy. Yeah. First of all, series we got it. From that series, we got a single row array. What array? But this imputer object need what exactly? Single column array. What exactly? Now to convert into that, we just need to use one method. If you want, you can cross verify the type of this object name is a array. What is that one? Did you remember? So there is a method. The method name is a reshape. What is that method name? During NumPy I covered actually. Yeah, a reshape of -1 of 1. You need to apply this exact syntax actually. Then done. Now please look at this one. From where to where we got it, that you need to understand. Seriously amazing, sir. First let me show you. Look at me please. Data frame, we got a series, we applied dot values, then we got a single row array. Tell me, single row array. Then we got a single column array. Now imputer object is happy. Give me that data, it will tell actually. Please look at my screen. What do you need to do? You know, access, you know, control X, assigning to one variable. Variable name is a. What is the variable name actually? Done. Your task will be done. Sorry, I didn't cover this one. Status equals to, what is the strategy? Sir, here the spelling should be match. Hey Daniel, can I give according to my own spelling? I will show you. Hold on. You should not give according to your interest actually. You have to give exactly 4. Otherwise, you will get an error actually. Now, just try to come here. Yeah, this object is trying to working with only one object. What is that object actually? Result. Result should be single column array. One more time. Please focus on this one. Now, df dot mocks. I hope you know this one. What exactly this one? Already we do have a data frame. The data frame having the column values actually. Old column values we are replacing with new operation. Old column values we are replacing with what exactly? New operation. Am I right or not? Right. Now, just try to come here. Take this one. But I hope you know. Please observe this one. Instead of All right, instead of result, what I need to provide here? Nice. Intentional, I changed the object name actually. Now get ready. Let us just try to print the data frame. See how initial data frame after done pre-processing, feature engineering, how the data frame, that's what you need to understand. Imputer is not defined. Imputer object name, what I have given, sir? Daniel actually. Where is that imputer object name? This one. Did you understand? What is the error name? Change the name of the variable. You will understand where all we need to touch the code actually. See, seriously. There was a student, he is having none value, but what is the score he got it actually? Lucky person, sir. Out of 178 actually. Seriously awesome. And the next one is fifth student. What is the score actually? Compared to the attempted one, he got seriously very good score. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that this is the way. This is the way. Exactly like this. If you understand one example, the next two examples are very simple. What is a very simple? Just a total example code is the same. Only status will be changed. What it will be changed? Move on to the next example. Now here, what is the strategy? Talk with me. Median. I hope you know. What do you mean by median? First of all, keep the sorting order actually. Then it will take automatically. Now take this one. Apply here. First strategy, tell me. Mean. Second one, median. Just try to apply. It is applied automatically. Now the next strategy. What is the next strategy, sir? Most frequent means which is the commonly repeated value. Am I right or not, sir? Commonly repeated value. Just try to see. We are getting the quite results. Now the next one is. Tell me. Next one is. First one is mean. Next one median. Third one most frequent. Fourth one constant means we need to tell what constant value. Boss, you are telling constant, right? If it is mean, it will calculate the mean. If it is median, it will capture the what is the median. If it is most frequent value, it will take the data and based on that, it will apply the calculation. Now you are telling constant, right? Constant means you need to tell the value. We need to tell the value. Now please observe here. Constant, yes, that is okay. But what constant actually? 80. Assuming that there is a principal son, he missed the exam actually, then definitely he should get a good score. Am I right or not, sir? I'm sorry for saying this. Good. In my, it's okay. Out of discussion. It was happen. What happened? Yeah. Let us take this first. Good. Give a comma. Now you need to tell fill underscore value. Can I say how many keyword arguments actually? Sir, please focus. Keyword arguments topic is a very, very important. Keyword argument topic is what exactly? Very, very important. Now let me tell you. The topic name is a keyword argument. What is the topic name? You know what? This keyword argument we can apply over 3 topics. How many topics? 3 topics. The first one is over function we can apply. Where we can apply? Function. Second one, over constructor we can apply. Where we can apply? Over constructor we can apply. Third one, over method we can apply. That's it. There is no other way. Talk with me. First one, function. Next one, constructor. Next one, method. One more time. We have a document. It's a right time I need to share. 5:30 Python. Did you notice there is a last document? Though I like this topic very well, I have created a separate material only for keyword argument actually. I hope I didn't share this one with you. Am I right? Good. Yeah, just try to say keyword argument. Now, first of all, I'm giving a small theory. What is a keyword argument? So on. So, if something went wrong, there is a common error. What is that error? Got an unexpected keyword argument. Tell me, unexpected keyword argument. Yeah, good. This concept we can apply on function, constructor, and instance method. Just try to walk through this document. Such a nice document. You will understand actually. You are getting right. Function, parameter, two rules. Rule number one, function we should call. Whenever you are calling, function name should be matched. And we can use identifier name. We can use name of the parameter to provide the value. Valid example. Am I right? Move on to the next example. Just try to say, what is the name of the parameter? Tell me, sir. Prod. Prod or fraud actually? Prod. Good. And here what we are using? Yeah. Is it valid? No. Then it will tell, shopping means function got unexpected keyword argument. Did you understand? Move on to the next one. Good. What is this one? What is class constructor? What is this one? Class constructor. It is okay. Now, prod, it is matching. This is seriously very good. Now, please observe here. What is this one? Constructor got unexpected keyword argument. You need to think like that actually. Did you understand? Move on to the next example. Now, the next one is instance method. Next one is what exactly? Instance method. This one also constructor. Yeah, this is the predefined constructor I wanted to prove. Even though here what we need to provide actually generally the fixed value. What is the value? Name. Series name we need to provide. Instead of name, Daniel, can I provide other thing actually? If you are providing, which one is rendering, which one is calling, sir? Constructor is calling. Which one is calling? Can I share this document? Yeah, I will share. Kindly, please, you have to remind me end of this session. Now back to the story. Now please focus on this one. You talk with me like a series means predefined class. Here, simple imputer is a predefined class. How many keyword arguments it is taking? 3 keyword arguments. Trust me, I worked with Java and Scala. Java don't have this kind of feature actually. Such a nice feature is this one. Such a nice feature actually. Getting right? Yeah, let's move on. Let us just try to run this example. There are 4 strategies. In a one shot, we understand actually. But now talk with me. Here, what is the first one, sir? Talk with me. Mean, right? Mean. Second one is median. Third one? Fourth one? Constant. Hello, Daniel. Instead of this one, I will give my own name actually. Some random name. Some wrong thing I will give actually. Then observe the error. Observe what exactly? Error. It will suggest you, boss, you don't have a rights what you wanted to give. Kindly please provide only 4 things actually. Please read the error. Imputer must be string among. What is the first one? Median. Second one, mean. Next one, most constant, most frequent. Next one is constant. Exactly. Am I right or not, sir? Even though if you are giving something wrong, it is suggesting, boss, you have to give any one of these one only. Any one of these one only. Am I right or not? Good. Ensure that you have to understand these are all example. Online team, hold on. Yeah, let's move on. Sriram sir, you're right actually. And who is this guy? Srikan sir. This is the one more question. Keyword argument are predefined like a methods. They have fixed names actually. Very good. Now, can anyone answer this for this one? Can anyone answer? Very good. First of all, both are same actually. Both are what exactly? Okay, okay, okay. Dot you can remove. Good catch. And here we need to provide double quote also. First of all, talk with me. Both are same. But which one is highly recommended? First one. Why? Very good. Then Srikant. Did you hear the answer actually? Srikant, I need a response. Both are same, sir. We covered many times actually. Very good. Divya. All right, let's move on. What, sir? I didn't understand. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, good. So seems to be the part one is done. Feature engineering part one is done actually. You guys need to walk through. These are all such a interesting example actually. Are you ready? Can we move on to part number two, which is seriously interesting? Part number two won't take much time. Maybe machine learning we are going to start today or what exactly? We'll see. Part number two, within just 30 minutes we are going to close. We'll see. How many students in online? 45 members. Why today less student? I thought Women's Day actually. It's okay. Feature engineering. Women's Day today, tomorrow, sir. Yeah, good. Now, please observe here. Now, the next topic, basically, total is one topic only, but for your convenient, I have divided like this, like a functions topic. Like what topic actually? Functions topic. Yeah. In feature engineering part number two, what I'm trying to helping handling categorical data. What is that one? Categorical data. Sir, from this document, minimum one question. Minimum one question. That too, the question is this one. Dummy variable encoding. That too, the question is last one. What is the last topic actually? Dummy variable encoding. Good. Now here, I explained very clearly how to imputing the numerical missing value. Talk with me. Am I right or not, sir? How to handle, numerical missing value. Now, how to handle categorical missing value? Here I am going to cover in this document. Just try to say imputing missing class value, missing categorical value, missing string values actually. Are you getting? Good. Now let's focus on this one. Nothing is there, sir. I'm repeating one more time. Whenever you are saying about the data means mostly it is having categorical data. What data actually? Categorical data. And the second one is what exactly? Numerical data. Very large values we may have actually. If it is the categorical data, how to handle that you need to understand. Learn how to handle. Learn how to handle using FE. FE means, yeah, here also learn how to handle. That's it. The total feature engineering will talk about how to handle the data. That's it. You guys please make a map actually. Now handling categorical data in a straight away I'm entering actually. Come on. Important. Categorical data is nothing but a string data that contains label values rather than numerical values actually. Good. So please focus. Important. Let us go for Titanic data set. In Titanic data set, would you have a column? Either gender column would you have, sex column would you have. Am I right? Yeah, good. In gender, how many values would you have? Yeah, gender would you have. Next one is the survived values also would you have. Survived means 0 or 1. 0 means no. 1 means yeah, survived. See, 0 means no. They can still add the value as a no, but they added as a 0 because they already thought like this data they are going to use for machine learning actually. They already handled. In that way, you need to think actually. Come on. Gender. How many values are actually? Male, next one is a female. Am I right? Sir, you know what? In a Python terminology, this is called as a string. This is called as what exactly? String. In Pandas terminology, talk with me, sir. Yeah, this is called as a object. In machine learning terminology, this is called as a categorical data. Yeah, very good. Now our sir is telling in advanced actual nice feature. Also called as a categorical data. What data? Categorical data. Also called as a label. Please, your attention really matters actually. Whenever you are talking about the data, the two Titanic data set would you have? There is a column name is called as a gender. What is that one? Gender, male and female, only two. Only how many? Two. That two, you need to understand unordered data. What data actually? Unordered data. We do have a two types of ordinal, nominal. Ordinal and what exactly? In real time, there are more nominal data. In real time, there are more what exactly? Nominal data. Best example, this data is a nominal data actually. In machine learning, I will highlight that one. Okay, back to the session. Male. In Python, we can represent something like a string or str. In pandas, it is representing with what exactly? Object. In machine learning, this is called as a feature. Called as what exactly? Feature. Also called as a categorical data. Also called as a label data. Are you with me? Good. Please, this tag you need to remember. Now just to see. Categorical data are variables that contains label values. What values? Label values. Rather than what exactly? Numerical value. Types of categorical data. I hope you already know. Nominal, next one, ordinal. The variable which are having no order, those variables are called as a nominal. Like a pet variable, cat and dog. Which one is the first, sir? Can we say? No. Right? According to some alphabetical order, we can keep some order actually, but there is no use actually. And color variables, blue, green, red. Tell me which one is the first? No, there is no guarantee. Blue. Okay, good. Now, ordinal variable. The variable which are having some order, those variables are called as a ordinal variable. Score variable values like a low, medium, high. What is that one? Low, medium, high. Best example, whenever you are going for Amazon, you are planning to buy one product actually. Then there is a rating. There is what exactly? Rating. What is that rating actually? 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? Those are also called as a first one. They would like to say average, above average, good. Best actually. They're supposed to use the string data, but still they will display with what exactly? Numerical data. Backend it is using for machine learning actually. Back to the session. Low, medium, high actually. In real time, mostly would have what data, sir? Nominal data. So please understand the below scenarios. Please understand what exactly below scenarios. Are you getting? Let me drink water. Very simple. This topic is very simple, sir. Same thing like a imputing missing value. Four scenarios, right? If you understand one example, remaining three examples bumper offer actually. Here also same. Understand one example, other examples you can easy to understand. Let's move on. Now the topic name is called as a encoding categorical data. Talk with me. Encoding categorical data. First of all, I hope you know what do you mean by categorical actually. Categorical means what exactly? String data. Categorical means what exactly? String data. Good. We are planning. First of all, mail is called as a code. Mail is called as what exactly? Code. We are planning to encode. We are planning to what exactly? Mail I am planning to representing with 0. Hold on. I will tell you. Just assuming that mail, I would like to say this is the code actually. This is what exactly code. Now mail I am planning to convert into 1, then that it is called as what exactly, sir? Encode. What is that one? Encode actually. Are you getting? Good. We'll see step by step. Important, sir. This topic is important. Encoding categorical data. There are mainly three types of encoding. There are mainly how many types of encoding? Three types of encoding. First one is a ordinal encoding, easy. Second one is one hot encoding. Third one is dummy variable encoding. Tell me first one. Ordinal encoding. Second one hot encoding. Third one, dummy variable encoding. Yeah, code. Now, please observe. So in ordinal encoding, every nominal value is assigned with integer value. Previously, we do have a categorical data. What is that categorical data? Talk with me. Blue, green, red. One more time. Blue, green, red. Last time. Now, what we are doing, let us just try to apply, encoding technique over this value. That to what encoding technique, first encoding technique is called as a ordinal encoding. What is the first encoding technique? The name itself is talking order. Keep the categorical data into some order actual. Keep the categorical data into what exactly? Some order. So in ordinal encoding, every nominal value is assigned with what exactly? Some numerical value. Good. Now blue is representing with a 0, green is representing with 1, red is representing with 2 actually. Are you with me? Very simple. How to map this one, we'll see step by step actually. Come on, sir. I hope you understand. You talk with me. Get ready. Ordinal encoder. Is it function? Class. How can you say? Very good. Now just try to come here. What exactly we are doing, you know? Hmm. There are two things. There are two things we are importing. The first one is as array. What is the first one? Don't think like there is a spelling mistake actually. There is a valid only. Now, till now, I explained we can create an array by using array function. By using what function? Array function. We can create an array by using as array function also. One more function we do have. That function previously one student told that is a spell mistake actually. He have given a space, something like that actually. Please stop overaction actually. Are you getting? Right. Now conclusion of the story. From NumPy import what exactly? As array. One more function in NumPy. There are many ways, man. By using this function also, we can create an array. By using this function also, we can create what exactly? Array. Then in a simple way, I'm planning to working with ordinal encoding. If you wanted to work with ordinal encoding, you should understand about one class. That class name is a ordinal encoder. What is that class name? A simple, man. If there is a topic, for that topic, either there is a function or either there is a class. That's it. Close the cinema. Apart from that, nothing. Total data science means, right? Now you talk with me. We are importing the class. Next one is object declaration. Next one. That's it. We'll see. Now we are creating an array. We are creating what exactly, sir? Array actually. Good, get ready. Let me just try to print this one. Take this one. Control X. A equals to something like this. Yeah. Sir, can I say nested list? Can I say nested list? Then we are creating what exactly? Array. Now let us just try to print. Come on. We created a, yeah. Can somebody read that one? Single column array. Sir, this word is a very, very important for machine learning also. You should not, like a keyword augment, how many times I'm repeating. This syntax you need to remember. This topic name is called as a single column array. One more time. Hold on. Yeah. Now, the next step is we are creating an object. Then we are calling a method. What is that method name? Fit underscore transform. That's it. Nothing is there. Now just try to come here. Let us just try to create an object. Get ready. Let us just try to create an object. Obj equals to ordinal encoder. Ordinal what exactly? Encoder. Am I right? Sir, I'm not sure either I told this one with you or not actually. This is the normal way to create an object. Normal way. But in a real-time way, let me tell you, take the class name as it is. I'm sorry, like this actually, right? Take the name of the class as it is and provide first one is all are lowercase actually. All are what exactly? Lowercase. Ordinal encoder equals to take this object name. And now let me tell you, I hope you know this is a kind of name of the variable. Am I right? And yes, it is the name of the variable. And if the variable having more than single word, what we need to do? Very good. That's it. Exactly. This is the real-time way. Now, assuming that if a junior is reading the code actually, and I am just asking a question, boss, tell me what is the object name. Then here you can tell obj. But instead of that one, I'm asking, tell me the object name. What he can tell actually? Anna underscore, ordinal underscore encoder. Very more pronunciation way. More readability. Am I right or not, sir? This is highly recommended in a real-time way actually. In a real-time way, we can this is having more readability. What is it one, sir? Readability. That really matters actually. Less readability. Less readability. follow the standards actually. Now exactly encoder equals to something like that. We are creating an object. It is okay. We are creating an object successfully. Fine. All right. Now result equals to obj dot, talk with me, sir, fit underscore transform. Transform is a method. Here what I need to provide? A single column array we need to provide. What we need to provide? Single column array we need to provide. Repeating again, we are importing the class. We are creating an object. we are calling the method. Repeating again, importing the class, creating an object, calling the method. One more time. Next one. Next one. That's it, man. Right. Now print. Let me print the data, and let me just try to print result. Let me just try to print what exactly, sir? Result actually. Good. Now let us just try to run this example very quickly. Did I provided space? Good. Please observe this one. Yeah, exactly, man. Did you understand? Okay. How we are getting 0, 1, 2, according to alphabetical order, sir. What order actually? According to the alphabetical order. Which letter is the first? B. Next one is a green. Next one? Yeah, R. Hold on. Let's change the data. Keep this one at first. Keep this one is at what exactly? Last. Don't confuse, like, if you want to provide one more value. What is that value, sir? Black. Tell me orange. Yeah? It's okay. Orange. Even I like oranges, sir. Let us just try to run. Yeah, tell me. Blue first. Next one is green second. Next one. Hey, sorry, man. Orange is second actually. According, am I right? Hold on. Hold on. 0. Blue actually. Next one. Which one is green? Green second place, sir. Yeah. Next one is a next position is orange. Next position is red. Can I say according to alphabetical order? Yeah. That too. Hold on the code. What you need to think is this is the method. This method accept single column array. What is that one actually? Single column array. Even though you are having the data frame, it never bother actually. You have to give always here what exactly? Single column array. That's it. You have to please understand that one actually. You may ask a question. Hello Daniel, why you are giving? Why? Because even though here assuming the data frame would you have in single column actually. Take into series, convert into single column array, then provide here actually. Otherwise, there is no alternative. Did you understand? That is a fundamental you need to follow actually. Take this example. If you want here, I would like to write one small kind note actually. Here, what we need to provide, single column array format we need to provide. Please ensure that we have to remember that. All right, let's move on to the next one. Good. Now, sir, talk with me. Initially, first two time, who created feature engineering? First of all, can I ask a question? What is the question will be? Can I say this is the nominal data? What data, sir? Nominal data. This is what exactly? Nominal data. And the next one is what data? Ordinal data. What exactly we done? There is no order, but we brought an order. Repeating again, there is no order, frankly speaking, but we brought an order. We brought an what exactly? Order by applying feature engineering technique. This is one of the technique. This is what exactly? One of the technique. This technique name is called as a ordinal encoding. What is the technique name? Ordinal encoding. This is the one technique, right? Now you guys need to walk through the theory slowly by slowly. You can easy to understand. Problem with ordinal encoding. Basically, there is no order, but we brought an order. Sometimes I don't want an order like this actually, but I still wanted to apply some feature engineering technique. I'm repeating again. Basically, this is a nominal data. What data? There is no order, but we brought some order. I don't want this technique, but do you have any other alternative? We do have an alternative, sir. That alternative name is called as a one hot encoding technique. What technique actually? One hot encoding. Are you getting? Good. I will show you. 1 minute. Let me talk with the online team. Online team, are you getting your one? Can I get a response? Now let's move on. If you have applied ordinal encoding on nominal value, then we will get an order and having some relationship. But actually, there is no relationship in between the nominal variables. Machine learning algorithm understand like there is a order in between the nominal data. But generally speaking, is there any order? No order, sir. But machine learning algorithm will confuse actually. So it causes some problem, like a machine learning algorithm will produce some poor performance. Even during ML, you will understand actually. I would like to say still, first technique is valid, but apart from that one, the second one is a more efficient actually. Second one is what exactly? More efficient. Look at me, please, everyone. Now this is called as a one hot encoding. What is this one? One hot encoding. We do have a data. Come on, look at me. We do have a data column or feature. What is the first one? Apple, pear, apple, pear, apple. Can I say how many unique fruits actually? Two. First one is a apple, second one is pear. Good. Now what exactly we are doing, according to the alphabetical order, take apple as the first actually in a column. Basically, how many unique values would you have? Two unique values. Based on that, two columns it will come automatically. Two columns it will come automatically. Now hold on, let me show you practically. Come on, look at me, sir. We are taking the data. Would you have a feature? Would you have what exactly? Feature. What is the feature would you have? Tell me, sir. First one is apple. Next one, pear. Next one, apple. Next one, pear. Next one. How many total? Yeah, five. Now just try to come here, apple. That's it. Now over this one, let us apply. Let us just try to apply ordinal, not ordinal, sir. Tell me, one hot encoding technique. What technique actually? One hot encoding technique. Are you with me? How to apply? I'm going to show you. Yeah. According to the alphabetical order, how many unique values would you have actually? Talk with me. Two unique values. What are those unique values actually? Apple. Next one is a pear. Very good. Now do one thing, please. Here, take these values as it is. Take these values as it is. And at the bottom side, take here first one apple according to alphabetical order. Second one is what exactly, sir? Pear. Good. Get ready. Get ready. What it mean, Sir, where are all apple is matching, keep the value as a 1. And where are all mismatched? Do you think apple and pear both are same? No. Then what we need to do? 0. Interesting. Now you talk with me. What is the value? Yeah, you understand. Pear and apple, is it matching actually? No. Then what is the result? 0. Here, 1. Now talk with me. 1. Next one, 0. Next one, 0. Next one, 1. Next one, 1. Next one. Perfect, man. Perfect actually. Right. Now here onwards, if I say apple, machine learning algorithm backend will understand he is talking about 1 0. He's talking about what exactly? 1 0. If I'm talking about the peer value, ML algorithm backend it will understand I'm talking about which value? 0 1. 0 1 actually. This is called as a, what is the technique? One hot encoding technique. What technique, sir? One hot encoding technique. Did you understand? Now let us take 3 values. Let us take how many values? 3 values. Are you ready? Good. Let me take one hot encoding. Now here, let us just try to take some person names actually. Person names. Now the first one I'm taking, assuming that these are all names actually. First one, Daniel. Second one, Srinath actually. Srinath. Next one, Prasad. Next one again, Daniel. The next one, Prasad actually. Prasad. The next one again is Srinath. Srinath. Get ready, sir. Get ready. Now let us try to apply. Let us what exactly? Try to apply what technique? One hot encoding technique. Are you ready? Good, sir. First of all, what we need to do? Get unique values. What values actually? Unique values. Come on, sir. I need your help actually. How many unique values would you have? According to the alphabetical order, you need to tell. What is the first one? That's what I had written my name first actually. Second one, Prasad. Okay, Prasad. Next one is Srinath, sir. Very good. Very good. Now, are you ready? Let us just try to apply one hot encoding technique. Take the values as it is. Don't change the order actually. Take the values as it is. Now here, what we need to take first actually? Daniel. Next one is Prasad. Next one, nice man. Nice actually. Srinath sir. Can I compress like this? Okay, good. Tell me, get ready. 1, 0. That's it. Next one, 0, 0, 1. Next one, 1, 0. You understand, man. That's what. Basically, complex topic actually, but you understand very nicely. Prasad means 0, 1 0. Next one is Srinath. 0 0 1. Now get ready. If being a human being, a data scientist can understand what is a Daniel, but machine learning algorithm will understand, okay, I'm talking about what exactly? 100. That's what. Please understand. Are you with me? Very nice, sir. I hope you understand. Right. Hello, Daniel. Do I need to convert this one manually? Not required, sir. We do have a methods and functions, object actually. Then let us just start a show. Are you ready? Are you ready? Good. Come on. We'll see. Come on. Very easy, sir. These are all very easy actually. uh okay. Previously, what is the class name? Previous class name, sir. Ordinal encoder. Now, what is the class name? One hot encoder. Then again, the process is the same. Import the class, create an object, call the method. Import the class, create an object, call the method. Simple. Now, come on. I'm not copying and running nodes or what? Did I copy this code? No. Yeah, we can just try to come here. Sir, here spell mistake. P-E-A-R, right? I guess. Pear. Fruit name is a pear. That's it. Good. Come on, let me just try to print the data. You may ask a question. Hello, Daniel. We can create a still series, right? Why you are creating array? Why? Because this class we are going to create an object. That object like to work with single column array. One more time. Perfect. You understand actually. Move on to the next step. Yeah, we are creating an object actually. One hot encode equals to one keyword argument we need to provide. That keyword argument name is what exactly? Sparse equals to false. What is that one? Equals to false. Sir, sparse means do small workaround actually. This is completely belongs to mathematics. And especially there is a one domain, Netflix actually. Netflix is working more with this sparse topic actually. If you're interested, you can work with that one. Just do some R&D. But as of now, not required for our session. Sparse. Good. Object created, sir. Next one is importing the class, object creation. Next one is a calling the method. Good. Let us just try to call. Done. That's it. That's it, man. So is it easy? Understand the topic. You no need to by heart also. Understand the logic. That's it. On hot encode got an expected keyword argument, sparse equals to false. 1 minute. Maybe updated or what? Sparse equals to false. It should be valid, sir. Let me search for Stack Overflow. SPARSE. 1 minute. Maybe the library get updated or what, we'll see. July 2020, 3 years back, one person got the same error actually. 20 modified 22 days ago, just recently. 5K times many people watched actually. This question asked exactly. Here the complete 1 minute. Here the complete code I was able to run sklearn. Okay, some version issue. Sparse equals to categories equals to auto. From category encoder, one hot encoder, module was override one hot encoder, sklearn processing. Unknown sparse output equals to false, sparse output equals to, if greater than 0.27, remove arguments like a sparse. Remove arguments like a sparse. Seriously, 1 minute, sir. We'll see. Working. But output is quite different. But if things are not working, I have one solution for you. Any idea? What is the solution? Exactly. Go for Google Colab. It will get automatically Sir, it is working. This solution is working actually. What is the solution? Handle underscore unknown equals to ignore, and sparse underscore output equals to what exactly? False. Good. Um, let me tell you in real time, whatever the problem it is, I'm sure you will get the solution from Stack Overflow, sir. Trust me. Rather than me, you can trust what exactly? Stack Overflow. And you should be more patient, say, how to apply, what to apply actually. See, reading a lot of time it will take, and I do have some good experience in real time. I'm just trying to applying here and there, which one will work actually. Exactly, this one is working. Handle underscore unknown equals to ignore, and sparse underscore output equals to what exactly? Maybe some small version change. In version, the keyword argument got changed actually. Did you understand? Okay, even according to that, let me update the document also. But the same example it worked for the previous batch. That's what here I didn't delete it actually. Anyway, let me update. Talk with me. Apple peer apple actually. What is output? 1001 1001 10. Exactly, we also got the same output actually. Are you with me? Good. Now, for your satisfaction, you no need to be remember these are all stuff. Now let us just try to go back here. Still I would like to take the example. Go to the Google Classroom or Google Colab, sir. Let me run there. Small minor changes, not every time, occasionally. Take the example. Let us apply here. Run this one. Running, allocating, connecting. Here it is working, sir, but there is a small warning. Seriously, very good. Feature warning: sparse was removed. Sparse underscore. Seriously, super. Hmm? Getting right? I'm sure the same example is working in Google Colab, but here we are getting a small warning. What is that warning? So and so small versions got changed actually. Trust me, these are all version you no need to remember. No need to remember actually. But if you know the topic, that is still fine. Are you getting your one? Good. Take this example. If you want, here I can write, and here I can, run below example in a Google Colab. Run below example in Google Colab, and I can help you with the updated material. Just try to take this one. If you are from real time, no shaky moments, sir. If code is not working, you can don't Google it. Chat GPT. Don't use Chat GPT. Are you getting? Please. All right. You talk with me. What is the topic name we are covering? Go back to the discussion. What is the topic name, sir? Handling categorical data. What is that one? Handling categorical data. There are two types of categorical data. First one is a nominal data. Next one, ordinal data. Good. Now just try to come here. Especially over the categorical data, we are going to applying encoding technique. The first one is a ordinal encoding. Second one is one hot encoding. Ordinal encoding means basically there is no order for the nominal data. We are forcefully bringing the order. What we are doing, forcefully bringing the order. That is one technique. Second technique will be, instead of order, do you have any other alternative, something like a binary format? What format actually? 1001 format. Do you have any other alternative? Yes, would have an alternative. What is that alternative? One hot encoding. What is that alternative? One hot encoding. Good. The two, did you notice here actually? Recently only. Recently. Read this one actually. Even though if it is 3 years, I was already in teaching. Even last batch, on an average, 4 months back, I executed the same example. It is working, but it was recently updated. How many days? 22 days actually. The question got updated and answer updated actually. Trust Stack Overflow. Trust me. And can I prove? I used to take examples in a Stack Overflow only. I'm not sure either I showed or not actually. Click on tags, go to pandas. Click on here, click on group by, and there is an example. What is example, this example. Look at this one. Have you seen this data somewhere actually in our document? Can I say fruits related data actually? Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Person names I changed actually. Fruits I have taken. Person names, what are the names I have taken? Not interview question. Like a Nirikshan, Nilima, Mohan, these are all names I have taken. Am I right or not, sir? I mean to say that the examples I have taken from the Google Colab, not Google Colab, Stack Overflow. Can you please walk through? Just try to see. According to the group by fruits name and customer name, we are applying what exactly? Sum. Yeah. Now this is the fruit name. All unique values, name, person names actually, number, Bob 16, Mike 9, Steve 10 actually. Good. Kindly please trust the Stack Overflow, sir. I no need to highlight these many times. Very, very important. All right. Sriram, sir. Thank you for your insight actually. Math theory I have gone through. It is hard. It is important of theory part actually. Sirisha. Srikant, if you are having two colors, come on, sir. According to alphabetical order, it will go. When you ask the question, seems to be I need to be 6:15, 6:30. Srikant, according to alphabetical order, even if you are having blue and black, which one is on high priority? Black. Why? Because third letter is high priority. Am I right? Simple. Come on. First to two we done actually. Good. And in the second example, there is a one more example also we need to execute. Seriously, very much fun. Please focus. What we are getting, sir? Can somebody talk with me? Now we are getting this data. One small insight I will give you. Kindly please hold on. One small insight I will give you. We got this is the result. Am I right? If I say apple, what is the notation? Talk with me. 1 0. Very good. If I say pair, what is the notation? 0 1 0 1 actual. Very good. Sir, I would like to say this is the one more formula. Let me help you. Two more notations we can bring from the same output actually. Two more notation. What is the two more notations? The second notation will be, do one thing. You can just try to drop the first column. You can just try to delete the first column actually. Here onwards, what we can do, the first apple belongs to 0. Next peer belongs to 1. Next apple belongs to 0. Peer belongs to 1. Seriously, very good. Conclusion of the story. Assuming that we have a like this lot of columns we have, then let us just try to reduce one burden of the column. And then see, instead of telling 1 0, telling 0 is very easy. Am I right or not, sir? Are you with me? Good. That is the next topic. That is the next topic. What is the next topic? Here in one hot encoding, we are getting the columns actually. We are getting what exactly? Columns. Dummy variable encoding means you are getting the result right. From that result, drop the first column. Drop what exactly? First column. Are you with me? I will show you practically. Yeah, let us just try to apply here also. Blue, green, black. Blue, green, blue, green, red actually. Let us just try to apply here also. I need your help, please. Let us execute these. These are all examples very quickly. First of all, I would like to show you array formatted data. Ensure that you have to load this one separately. Okay, then copy paste our code. If you want, I would add a few more values also. Get ready. There are just the three values I'm adding. What are the values? Blue, green, red. If you want, you can add duplicate values also. Nothing is wrong with that. Equals to something like that. You want to add blue also? Can I add one more blue? That is fine. B L U E. Are you getting? Good. Now we have created a, what we are creating, what we are creating, you have to tell one point. What is that point? Single column array. One more time, sir. That's it. We created actually. Now let us just try to apply one hot encoder technique. I hope you know syntactically instead of sparse, you just need to update your syntax. That syntax should be according to this one. You guys just need to apply these two. Whenever you are working, if you are getting real-time issue, no need to be shaky moment. Trust the Stack Overflow. All right, let me just try to print one hot. Yeah. Can somebody talk with me? What is the result we are getting actually? If I say blue, what is the notation? 100. Green, what is the notation? 010. Red, 001. Next one, blue, 00. Blue means what exactly? 100. Do one thing. Same notation, take this one. What is the next topic, you know, sir? The next topic will be, take the same data. Just try to, we are getting this one, right? Delete the first column. Delete what exactly? First column. That is the next topic actually. Here onwards, if I say blue, what is the notation? 00. Green, 10. Next one, red, 01. Next one, blue, 00. That is the next topic. The next topic name is called as a topic name is a dummy variable encoding. What is the next topic name? Dummy variable encoding. Yeah, good. In one hot encoding, we are getting this result. From this result, drop the first column. What we are doing actually? Drop the first column. It's a very simple. Are you getting your one? Yeah, good. If you drop the first column from the result of one hot encoding, then we will get a dummy variable encoding actually. We'll get what exactly? Dummy variable encoding. Just try to say red, blue, green, red, and here to drop this one, you no need to do anything. One more extra keyword argument actually. What is that keyword argument name? Drop equals to first. Take this one. Syntactical, I need to cross verify. Drop equals to first. Now run this example. It is dropping, sir. Absolutely, it is dropping actually. Did you understand? Good. Now I have a question for you. What is this one? Keyword argument. This one also what exactly? Keyword argument. Only the small change will be instead of sparse equals to false, what we need to provide? Handle underscore unknown equals to ignore. Next one is what exactly? Sparse underscore output equals to false. False actually. Let us move on. I hope you understand. What is important interview question? You know, explain about dummy variable encoding topic. Important interview question will be explain about what exactly? Dummy variable encoding technique. Imputing missing label value is not that much important, but in real time, how we can handle, you know, the same code actually, copy pasted code. But here, what we are applying actually, talk with me. Most underscore frequent. Most underscore what exactly? Frequent actually. Why most underscore frequent? Why not mean? Tell me. Exactly, good point. Sir, if it is the mean, the generally the data should be what exactly? Numeric data. Though it is not numerical data, you cannot apply mean, you cannot apply median, you cannot even apply what exactly? Constant also. Yeah, constant we can apply. But we need to walk through the data. Instead of that one, automatically it's supposed to apply. What is that one? Most underscore frequent. Can I ask you one simple question? Why we are converting like this? Any idea? Yeah, very, because this object like to work with one format. What is the format actually? Single column array. What is that one? Single column array. Sir, can I tell good news? We done feature engineering. Now the next topic is a machine learning. Can I start now? Seriously? Then what about others, guys, sir? Many. It's okay. Let us just try to start. 6:38. In one shot, how many days we have taken feature engineering? 3 sessions. Maybe our prediction is right only. Now we are going to start. Control jet. Machine learning. What is the topic name? Machine learning. Important, sir, and very easy. Machine learning is very easy actually. Terminology, respectively, we'll see one by one. Now, introduction. Now, terminology. Upcoming topic. I may not give much introduction. Maybe why? Because we do have a. If I started the game, sir, there are few topics actually. I don't want to stop in between, like a written statement, methods in class. These are all. Did you notice actually? If I have enough time, I used to start. But anyway, I will give a small kick introduction. Then I can continue this topic in a next session actually. Tomorrow, what is the timings? Morning practice session actually. Ensure that. Now, let me tell you. The topic name is a machine learning. Only one definition I will tell. Please focus on this one. Only one definition I will tell. Are you ready? Look at me. Very, very important. Good. Now, let me tell you the total data science purpose will be more. There are many things, but mostly prediction. What purpose actually? Prediction. You may ask a question. Hello, Daniel. What is prediction? You may ask a question. Prediction means very simple, sir. What do you mean by prediction? The very well-known data. Let us just try to take on January. Total the profit will be 1 crore. On February, assuming that on February the profit will be 2 crore actually, 2 cr. On March, the profit will be what exactly? 3 cr. And after March, what is the next one? April. Now, you know what? Imagine already having the prediction. That prediction will be on an average, no doubt at all, minimum 2.5. Yeah, 4 crores actually. What is that one? 4. See, now which month we are actually? Talk with me. We are in. Tell me, sir. But Amazon is thinking about what exactly next month. All business magnates, they never think about the present. They never. Why? Because they already set the platform. The days are moving on, but they will always think about tomorrow, next week, next month, next quarter, next 6 months, next year, next 2 years, like this actually. They will think always about the future. Tomorrow, how I need to improve my business. Why? Because currently already running, right? Is there any problem if they think about the today actually? No problem, but waste of time actually. Why? Because they already set the time. They already set the trend actually. Then they will think about what exactly? Talk with me. Prediction. What is that one? Sir, prediction will be done by, in data science will be done by machine learning. Prediction will be done by what exactly? Machine learning. And you may ask a question, how it will be done? How it is possible? How? Simple. By using model. By using what exactly? Model. I will tell. Model means ML algorithm. Model means what exactly? ML algorithm. ML, if I say ML, machine learning. If I say ML, what exactly? Machine learning. I'm repeating again. The purpose of the total data science is to do the prediction, man. To do what exactly? Prediction. Right. Good. Prediction means we are talking about the future data. We are talking about the future sales. We are talking about the future, any healthcare issues may come. What about this environment? What about the ozone layer actually? These are all discussion we are doing. So it will be done by using what exactly? Machine. Every company, why the data science is really huge booming, best example, sir. Even I wanted to know my future actually. Am I right or not? Every company, they wanted to know about their future. If a company wanted to know about their future, that company is supposed to have data. That company is supposed to have what exactly? Data. Assuming that how Amazon is doing nice prediction, because they're having lot of history data. Let's take Amazon. Last 5 years data they do have. Last 1 decade data they do have. Last 1 year data they do have. They do have actually. Assuming that Amazon owner called me, just assuming that Amazon owner called us actually. We are all on an average some 50 data scientists, and he is asking, "Can you please do let me know what is the next month sales?" Then from our side, first question will be, share your old data. What is that one? Share your old data. If you don't have a data, we cannot do predictions, sir. Definitely, what matters actually, data matters. If Amazon owner is telling, I don't have a data, then we should tell, don't play the jokes actually. And did you understand? Conclusion of the story, if you wanted to do some prediction, definitely we should have a historical data. What data actually? If you are having the data ready, you can talk with the data scientist actually. Okay. Now what I can say, sir, by using Python, talk with me, we can create a program. We can create what exactly? Program. By using pandas, we can create a, very good, create what, either series and mostly data frame. We are going to work with what exactly? Data frame. Next one, if you are having the NumPy, and by using NumPy, what we can do? Very good. Create an, what exactly? Array. Create an array. Create an array actually. Good. Sir, if you are having machine learning algorithm, get ready. Create a algorithm. ML algorithm. What algorithm actually? ML algorithm. You may ask a question. Why? Why we need to create? Simple. To do the prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. To do the prediction, there is a process. That process we need to follow. Getting right? Simple. Very simple. Fine, sir. Let me. I can continue on Monday. Why? Because I'm in the flow. I should not stop the flow actually. Getting right? Let us just try to everyone present, but ensure that we entered into hot topic actually. That to core topic. Being a human being, how the heart is important. Being a data scientist, you should be master in ML. I know you guys are master in Python and Pandas. Am I right or not, sir? Tell me yes or no. Same thing like that. You should be master in ML actually. If you are very good in ML, the total data science you can learn, self-learning actually. ML really matters, and it's very easy, man. It's very easy. Till date, did you feel any difficulty? Till last today, you can feel the same thing actually. I hope your practice really matters. We done for today's session. I'm closing early. Why? Because Divya, maybe I will share today. I did not understand why should stop the column array actually. While we are getting the values from the single column array, we can get the value binary value single column array. Dinesh, nothing is there, sir. There is a small notation. See, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Dinesh, look at my screen. Assuming that would have a, would have a some 100 unique values. Over this 100 unique values, UNIQA. Over these 100 unique values, we created a one hot encoding. What we created actually? One hot encoding. Very good. Then what we'll get? All these 100 unique values here actually. Then same thing like that here. Value one. Tell me, sir. Value one. Next one is value two. Next one is value three. Next one is keep on how many values actually? 100 values. In our hand, we do have a notation for algorithm. Give kind of less pressure actually. Reading 100 columns is too difficult. It's okay. Instead of that one, let us drop this one. At least how much we are giving actually? 99. Instead of giving 100 columns, provide 99. Reduce the burden actually. Reduce what exactly? Burden. Okay. And a single column array, Prashant. New names I'm seeing, sir. Prashant. First time I'm seeing. Sir, are you from our batch actually? Prashant. Offline student. Huh? Oh, Prashant. Okay, okay. Name I didn't remember, sir. He joined over online today. Okay. All right. Good man. Can I upload the material? Running notes I need to upload, I guess. So tomorrow, what is the fundamental? You tell me Python or Pandas. Which one will do revision? Raise your hand, sir. How many want to Python actual? Raise your hand. How many of you Pandas? Now I understand. No one don't want revision actually. Okay. So fine then. Let me do Pandas revision. What revision? Pandas. And next week Python revision will do. Let's do advanced always revision first actually. Are you fine? Pandas, how many topics? Total more than 21 actually. No practice. Only reading. Just try to walk through actually. If you want, you can sleep also. Tomorrow I can observe. While reading, will get mostly sleeping. Am I right? Yeah, yeah. 5:30. Let us just try to apply running notes. Today I will give one more project, please. Here I need to upload. Here and here I need to upload. Then I showed something in between. Keyword arguments topic also I need to. Sir, please remind. Otherwise I may forget actually. So you didn't remind me. I'm not uploading actually. Oh man, running notes where I created, we're in right direction. Let me upload keyword argument special documents. I have created actually in my free time. Okay, where it is available, boss. In Pythons I have created. In Python material, this is the material. Sir, learn how to work with Kaggle actually. How to work with what exactly? Kaggle. In Kaggle, let us take one project. There are total 100 lines. How many lines? If you are able to understand 50 lines, how many lines? Enough, sir. You will get a job actually. But if you are unable to understand minimum 50 lines, sorry, you are in problem. Serious problem. What problem? Serious problem. Ensure that you know what is that problem actually. Okay, minimum 50. I'm not expecting the total 100 lines actually. 50 you should know, being just a junior data scientist actually. All right, I'm done for today's session. Please don't miss tomorrow practice and we can continue again on what exactly, sir. Sir, why don't you add us in new batch actually? Arati, I may give one or two topics permission, but if anyone need complete actually, you guys need to talk with admin. Even um, uh, management will allow you actually. Okay, thank you. Thank you. We done for today's session. Please take care. Take care, sir. Kusuma, did you finalize the project actually? I have texted you, cross verify.